In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a refund for a paid invoice in Xero using a credit note. This is a straightforward process, but it's crucial for maintaining accurate financial records in your business's accounting system. Let's dive in and break it down into easy-to-follow steps. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section. At the top bar of your Xero dashboard, you'll see several options, but right now, your focus should be on Sales. Click on that, and it will direct you to the Invoices section. This section is where you can manage all your sales transactions, including creating new invoices, tracking due payments, and of course, creating credit notes for refunds. Next, look for the option to select a new credit note. It's typically prominently displayed because Xero makes sure you can easily access the features you need the most. By selecting New Credit Note, you're taking the first crucial step towards processing a refund accurately. This feature allows you to make changes to invoices that have already been paid, especially when a refund needs to be issued. Once you're in the credit note creation area, you'll need to select who the credit note is for. This is usually the customer who paid the original invoice and to whom the refund is due. Be sure to input all the necessary details related to the credit note carefully. This includes adding the correct amount for the refund. It's important to double-check the figures here because accurate data entry helps keep your books in order and avoids any discrepancies. After filling in all the necessary fields, the next step is to click on Approve. By approving the credit note, you finalize the creation process, officially logging it into your records. This step is essential as it ensures that the credit note is recorded against the customer's account, thereby adjusting their outstanding balance appropriately. And there you have it. That's all it takes to reconcile a refund for a paid invoice in Xero using a credit note. Remember, handling refunds and credit notes with care is important for maintaining good business relationships and ensuring your financial records are spotless. By following these instructions, you not only make sure that the customer's account is updated correctly, but you also ensure that your business accounts remain accurate and up to date. It's all about precision and attention to detail. With practice, this process will feel like second nature, and you'll appreciate the simplicity and effectiveness of Xero's interface in helping manage your business finances smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the refund reconciliation process a little clearer for you. Happy accounting!